In this video, we'll show you how to replace the spool and spool cover on your GREENWORKS single-line auto-feed string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded models fitting this description. Be advised your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Rest the unit on a flat surface with the trimmer head facing up. Push the spool cover tabs on the sides of the trimmer head at the same time. Please note, this may require a significant amount of pressure. Pull and remove the spool cover along with the empty spool. If the spool or spool cover are worn, please discard these items and replace with new parts. Feed the ends of the cutting line through the eyelet and place the replacement spool in the housing. Once seated, pull the line firmly to release it from the guide slot on the spool. Push the tabs and reinstall the spool cover. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.